In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter in this Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new air filter, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. A fresh air filter is 15 times more powerful than baking soda at removing odors from common foods inside of the refrigerator. So it is a good idea to change this every 6 months or when the filter indicator has changed from white to red. The air filter is located on the rear wall near the top of the refrigerator compartment. To remove the filter, lift open the vented door. Then squeeze in on the side tabs and lift the filter out. When shopping for a new air filter, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. The filter comes with a status indicator, which should be activated and installed at the same time as the air filter. To install the air filter, lift open the door and snap the filter into place. Now, place the new filter status indicator on a firm, flat surface. Apply pressure to the bubble on the back until the bubble pops to activate the indicator. Next, remove the old indicator by sliding it up. Then, slide the indicator into the notches with the screen facing outward. If the indicator doesn't easily slide into the notches, the bubble has not been popped. Now, close the air filter door and ensure that the indicator is visible through the window in the door. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.